Listen carefully. Are you someone who hears the word artificial intelligence and immediately thinks it's too complicated for me? Or maybe you thought I am from non-technical background, so how can I even start learning AI? If that sounds like you, trust me, I know exactly how you feel. Because I used to feel the same way. I believed AI was only for engineers or programmers. But here's the truth. AI is for everyone, even you. And in this channel, I'm here to prove it. Right now, maybe you're sitting there scrolling, doubting yourself, and telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But let me tell you something, tomorrow is a lie. Every second you waste, someone else is already learning, building, and moving forward. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how you can start learning artificial intelligence without any coding experience and without a technical degree. The only question is, will you take action to keep waiting? Let me share something personal with you. I'm Naveen, a commerce graduate just like many of you. When I first heard about AI, I thought, no, this isn't for me. I'm not from a technical field, but my curiosity didn't let me stop. I started learning step by step, watching videos, practicing projects, and slowly build my skills. And yes, it was tough. There were days I felt lost, confused, even ready to quit. But discipline always beats motivation. I showed up even when I didn't feel like it. Today, I work in the field of data science and artificial intelligence, and now I'm here to help you to make your AI journey simple, practical, and clear. So, what can you expect from this channel, Decoding AI with Naveen? Here, I'll explain AI, machine learning, and data science in simplest way possible. You'll find step-by-step tutorials on tools like Python, Power BI, and ChatGPT. You'll see real-world projects explained clearly, and most importantly, I'll share my personal tips on how you can switch your career into AI, even from a non-technical background, just like I did. But remember, success doesn't come from wishing; it comes from consistent action. So, if you are serious about changing your life, this is your starting point. If you are ready to start your AI journey, then join me right now. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment below what AI topic are you excited to learn first. Together, we will break the myth that AI is only for tech experts. Step by step, we will decode AI together, because in the end, there are only two types of people: those who watch others succeed, those who take action and succeed themselves. The choice is yours. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.